Hi friends, this is Pratyanshu. Today I discuss interest. So basically interest is the extra money. Interest is the extra money. Interest is the extra money which are, or we can say extra money paid by institution like paid by institution like banks or post office on money deposit by money deposit by any person deposit by any person. So basically interest is of two types. First is simple interest, second is compound interest. Second is compound interest. Simple interest is basically constant. Simple interest is basically constant, and compound interest change every year because principal amount is change every year. So, so formula to calculate simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. And for compound interest, total amount is equal to principal in bracket 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n, where n is the time, r is the rate, and a is the amount, which is equal to principal plus compound interest. So this is the formula to how to calculate simple interest and compound interest. So this is two type of interest. One is simple interest and other is compound interest. The formula of simple interest is principal into rate into time upon 100, and formula of compound interest equal to amount equal to principal in bracket 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. N is time for which the amount is given, rate by which percentage the interest to be earned or interest to be given, is the final amount after adding compound interest to the principal amount. So A is equal to principal plus compound interest. One more type question in discuss: when rate compounded annually, rate compounded annually. If rate compounded annually or half yearly, when rate compound annually, then the value of r is, if rate compound annually or half yearly or sometimes quarterly, when rate is considered half yearly, then the rate of half yearly is half of the rate of annually. The RH is equal to RA by 2, where RH is half yearly rate and RA is annually rate, and RA is annually rate. So this is the one more concept when rate compounded annually or half yearly. Now I discuss some example on compound interest, which is discussed in next page. Now the example is find compound interest on 12,600 for 2 years at 10% annum compounded annually. So now go to the solution. Principal amount is 12,600 rupee. Time is 2 years. Rate is 10%. So find compound interest. So the final amount A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. P is 12,600. 1 plus R is 10 by 100 into N is 2 years. Now if I take in 12,600 into 110 by 100 square, which is equal to 12,600 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. So which is equal to 00 cancel, 10 cancel. So this is equal to 5,246. This is the final amount of to be paid by bank. So if we know that amount formula equal to principal plus compound interest. So we can say that compound interest equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 14,246 minus 12,600, which is equal to 2646 rupee. So I hope you understand how to solve compound interest problem. And just when we compound it half yearly, then the rate is the half of annual rate. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning. Thanks to watching this video.